Today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the 5 mistakes that I stopped making to give me super defined, super moisturized, long-lasting wash and goes every single time. But first, hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Desiree, but I go by the Motley Girl. Mistake number 1, not doing my wash and goes on freshly washed hair. Guys, you can't paint on a canvas that's dirty, so why would you do a wash and go on hair that's not freshly washed? Mistake number 2, not styling my wash and goes on completely soaking wet hair. Now, I know this might be controversial because some people do it on damp hair or dry hair and wet it down. You're going to get your best, juiciest defined curls on soaking wet hair. Now, as you're styling, guess what? Your hair is going to start to dry up some. That's when you bust out the spray bottle to wet it back down. So mistake number 3, and this probably took me the longest to kind of sort of learn, is you have to work in small sections. The smaller your sections, the more defined your curls are going to be. I like to be able to pick a section that kind of sort of can fit in between my thumb and index finger, like here. Mistake number 4 ties into mistake number 3. You're not going to use a big glob of product like this for that tiny little section. This little bit right here, guys, that's all you need. And mistake number 5, now that you've got these beautiful, juicy coils, I know you're tempted to touch your hair. Don't! Because all you're going to do is create a frizzy mess. Here are the finished results from the wash and go that I just did. As you can see, I have super shiny, juicy, defined curls. There's absolutely no frizz whatsoever. So if you guys like this video, which I hope you did, give it a big fat thumbs up. Also, comment down below and let me know, what's your biggest wash and go mistake? I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.